And with that, let's see what happens with the scores. You'll have to come back tomorrow. No, thank God.
I won, right?
No, we
Golf
have
rules?
we have tiebreaker tasks. We don't have the maid, so I'm just gonna have to tell the 4 people who are tied. Please stand back up.
What?
We're going to determine a winner right now.
Oh my God.
But before we determine a winner, I'm just gonna go consult with Graydon about which tiebreaker task we'll be doing.
Oh my God. I hope it's an easy one.
Sorry for making it complicated. Sorry, Cece. It's really nothing personal.
Oh, yeah, no.
How's the weather over there?
Yeah!
Great game.
All right. So, yeah, we have a tiebreaker task. I'll admit, 4 people tied for first was not at all what I was expecting.
You're welcome.
Well, but the Taskmaster is a genius. He knows all. So, for this task, we're going to ask that you all, in order, you will have like 3 to 5 seconds. When it is your turn to speak, state a species of bird, and we will continue until if you don't within 5 seconds name a species of bird, then you are out, and we will go until there is one person left standing. You may not repeat. So again, please, when it is your turn, and we'll go in order that the Taskmaster determines, but please make it easy for everyone to understand. State a species of bird, no repeats. You have 5 seconds. Yeah.
Start us off, Rowan. Go down the line.
Right now?
Osprey.
Yes. What did he say?
Sparrow.
Osprey, sparrow.
Parakeet.
Spoonbill.
Parrot. Lark.
Robin.
Penguin.
Finch.
Blue jay.
Chicken.
Peacock.
Turkey. Oriole.
Hawk.
Greater sage grouse.
Raven.
Robin.
Said it already.
Oh, Neel.
Sorry, Neel.
Oh, look how cute.
Falcon.
Tufted titmouse.
Sandpiper.
Condor.
Have we done duck?
You have now.
Pelican.
Parrot.
Toucan.
It's been done.
Didn't hear it.
Repeating like a
Didn't hear
Wow, the final 2. I wonder
I
who's
said
going to win.
toucan, sorry.
Kingfisher.
Crane.
Ground finch.
I want to see how many Leo can do.
Goose. Have we done goose?
No?
You say. Oh, no, you didn't.
Canada goose.
I think 2 of those in a row means that Leo is our winner for the night.
That means Leo will be walking away with 5 meaningful Mother's Day gifts, although only one meaningful to his mother. Please give it up for Leo and for all the contestants.